In this video, we're going to use the rational root theorem and then investigate which of the roots are actual zeros of our function. All right, so how do we do that? So first of all, remember what the rational root theorem says. First, you have to start with all possible factors of the last number. So that would be 1. All possible factors of 1 is just plus minus 1. 1 and negative 1. Then you have to list all possible factors of the first number, which is like the leading coefficient, which is 5. Well, they are just 1 and 5, because 5 is a prime number. Next, to find all possible rational roots, we divide the numbers, the 1 and negative 1, by the 1 and 5, or negative 1, negative 5. Okay, so first start with 1 divided by 1, and then 1 divided by 5. So that'll give you 1 and 1 over 5. And again, it's plus minus. The next one, well, there's no next one. That's it. So the only roots are 1, negative 1, 1/5, and negative 1/5. Okay, but how do we know which of them is the actual zero? Yes, these are possible zeros, and we know that there are no other ones, but this is a cubic polynomial. Can it have 4 intercepts? No, it's going to only have 3. So some of them may be, but some of them may not be. Okay, so how do we know which ones? Here is what we do. Let's go ahead and type our polynomial, but replace every x by parentheses. Okay, empty parentheses. So we're just going to put empty parentheses in place of x. Now, we're going to start with our roots, and we're going to put them here. So first start with 1. Is that giving me 0? Nope, that gave me 12. Okay, now let's do negative 1. So now we'll replace the empty parentheses by negative 1. That's negative 8. That's also not a 0. Okay, how about 1 over 5? So we're just going to replace 1 over 5 inside the parentheses. And that's also not a 0. Man! Okay, let me convert this to a fraction. This looks like 52 over 25. Man, I hope it's going to be negative 1/5. Okay, there you go. Okay, so that's the 0. So the only actual 0, rational 0, of this cubic polynomial is negative 1/5. That's it.